everybody, look, Joel Ortiz is in the building. Joe Budden is in the building. Tony Kwame is in the building. There are a lot of motherfuckers in the building, and everybody is going to get to you. You will get to see everybody. I got a lot of love for everyone that has come here and has shown the support for what the fuck is continuing to happen now. Y'all ready? Do we get this shit started?